Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm drawing another fan art, another BTS fan art. This one is Serendipity by Jimin. I'm so happy that I'm doing it. Actually, that time I was not even army, but I draw the serendipity week, and I didn't know that it's a BTS thing, it's a serendipity thing. But now I got it that it was a serendipity scenery, so I thought that let's draw it once again, and this time I'm gonna do with watercolor. When I did for the first time, I did it with oil pastel color, but now I'm doing it with watercolor. Hope you guys will enjoy it, and hope you will guys able to create it by seeing this tutorial. At first I applied water on the paper, then I'm applying Prussian blue color. If you love my video, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to like, dislike, comment and share. And if you want, you can also visit my Instagram for more art. Now I'm applying cobalt blue. I'm gonna just use three colors. These are those are will be those will be cobalt blue, Prussian blue and black color. I'm gonna use just these three color for this picture. I won't use any other color for this because if you have watched this picture, then you know that, like, by the thumbnail photo, you know that it's a picture of blue, so that's why you don't need another colors. You just need the three colors that I am using, and those are Prussian blue, cobalt blue and black color. And I'm sorry if you are hearing any background music because my mic is not that good of capturing sounds, so that's why it has some background sounds too. And I don't of course I live in a society, and there are people, and you can't just shut them up. You can just say, please keep quiet, I'm recording. It's not like that. So sorry for the background musics, like background sounds that you are hearing, but I hope that you are hearing my voice clearly. If your color spread it like this, like that on the corner, just take a tissue and try to absorb the extra water that it has, and it will be fine. So if you do such mistakes, so don't worry about it, just hold a tissue and try to absorb the water, and it will be fine. Now here is the fun part, spreading the white color. I really enjoyed it. I really loved it color. I loved it. Spreading it like this, it was quite fun. Now use a black color to draw the human figure. Like this you can draw the whole painting, like hold a human. Make sure you have done the basics, then you draw the black lines, because then you use black color. If you don't do the basics and direct you want, if you want to apply the black color, then maybe you will be then you will do some mistakes. That's why please draw the basics first, then do apply the black color to draw the human. It's done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.